Welcome to Mount Hermon, an exceptional new community in Moseley, Virginia, now selling from the mid-500,000s. Nestled within the sought-after Cosby High School district, Mount Hermon offers large, wooded home sites almost half an acre, providing privacy and a serene natural setting. Each home will showcase thoughtful design, with options for basements, 3-car garages, and flexible floor plans tailored to your lifestyle. Experience convenience with easy access to Hull Street, Midlothian Turnpike, and major highways for seamless travel across the Richmond area. Come discover why our future homeowners are raving about Mount Hermon's unique, spacious sites and scenic surroundings, where every day feels like a retreat. Visit Mount Hermon and find your dream home today. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.